Thanksgiving leftover turkey subs, people. Come on, let's get involved. What? Come on. Hello and welcome back to BBQ Jams. I'm your host, Will Bloomberg, and tonight, guys, we're going to be cooking up an amazing turkey Thanksgiving sub. I'm going to be throwing some ingredients together. It's going to be killer. I'm going to be smoking them on this new Z Grills that Z Grills has hooked me up with. So we're going to be featuring that a little bit here tonight. So who's coming over tonight, guys? We have Mike Linsky and Arthur Zaragoza on guitars. We also have David Lee, haven't had him over in a minute, on bass, and myself, Will Bloomberg, on drums. So without further ado, let's get involved. Boom! Okay, let's crank into the Z Grill. We're gonna crank it up, get it all started, prepped up, ready for our turkey breast to go on. Okay, we're set 275. We're gonna let this smoke start billowing, and then we're gonna close the lid. We're gonna be cooking this turkey tonight at 300 degrees. We're gonna be bringing it up to about 160, 165 internal temp. Okay, leftover Thanksgiving turkey subs. So here we go. I've got 2 turkey breasts right here. I'm gonna go ahead and open these up, drain them out. I'm gonna dry them off, and then I'm gonna be putting some BBQ Jams OG seasoning on them.
So now that we had smoke rolling on the Z Grill, I went ahead and bumped the temperature up to 300 degrees for Will while he's got his hands dirty with the turkeys.
Yes, thank you, Jeffrey. Appreciate you, buddy. So now that our turkey breasts are dried off, let's go in with some BBQ Jams rub. All right, we're gonna let these sweat out for just a second. We're gonna be popping these on the smoker. Again, I've got it set, the Z Grill set to 300 degrees, and I'm gonna be cooking these until they hit an internal temp of about 160, 165, and I'm gonna pull them. So, you guys hang tight, enjoy these jams. We're gonna be starting the gravy. We're gonna be putting together all of our other fixings for these sandwiches. So you guys hang tight, here we go. Okay, our birds are ready to go on. We're using the probes that they have here on the Z Grill. See you guys back here in a minute. All right, here we go. Turkey breasts are done. We're hitting right at our right temperature right here. We've got 167, 161. They're ready to pull. We're gonna let them rest for about 10 minutes before we start carving into them. So I'm gonna pull these probes and pop them out. So here we go. Here we go, we're gonna go ahead and cut into this turkey, guys. Let's see what we have. Oh man, nice and juicy. These guys look incredible. Oh, these are gonna make incredible little sandwiches. All right, check it out. I'm gonna start assembling. I'm gonna bring the guys in. We're gonna put this all together. Here we go. We are ready to tear into these turkey sandwiches. We have Mr. David Lee back with us over here. What's up, man?
Hey,
Yeah.
How's it going?
Very good, very
Welcome
good.
back, sir.
Thank you.
You ready to tear into some sandwiches and some jams?
I am.
Oh, man.
In that order.
All right, well, cool.
So let's go.
You ready to go? All right, well, we also have, hang on a second. Here we go. We also have Arthur Zaragoza and Mike Linsky over here. What's up, guys? Come on. How's it going? How's it going? Good to see you guys. Y'all ready to tear into some of these sandwiches? Oh my God, they look incredible. Grab whatever you like and we're going in. I am like ready, guys. Oh, look at this thing. It's
Thank you.
So incredible. Unbelievable. I haven't tried it yet.
See if I can keep it together. A lot of
Smells good.
Some paper towels down there if you need them.
Mazzy's all in too. She's like, all right. Cheers,
something.
guys.
Cheers, man.
Cheers. Cheers to you guys. Whoa. Whoa. Come on.
Wow.
Awesome.
So good.
There's a lot going on in those sandwiches.
Nice crunch on that. Outside.
Yeah, nice, huh? Yeah, get the bread nice and toasty is great, guys. Oh man. Woo! Z Grill's hooked it up tonight. It cooked it perfectly. This turkey came out perfect, guys. Thank you guys so much for hanging and being part of the show, guys.
Thank you, Will.
Seriously, you guys are great. Can't wait to get a hold of some of these jams too. So anyway, we're gonna bring in some other guests here in just a little bit. And actually, Martine, you want to come on in? We also have James Salzer over here. Come on down. Oh, hey, dive bomb. Go for it, Bubba. Dude. A lot going on. So good.
I'm not used to turkey being juicy.
All right, we got the juicy turkey tonight.
Oh man.
Woo! That's what it's all about, Bubba. Thanks for hanging tonight.
Awesome.
Martine.
Awesome.
And
Thank
James
you.
Salzer's over here too. Come on down, James
All
Salzer. I got you a freshie, babe,
All
just for
right.
you, bud.
This is, God,
I know.
this is like turkey breast, dressing, gravy, cranberries, bread all together. I've never heard of anything like this. I always eat it separately.
Wow.
This is interesting. God.
Whoa.
Oh, interesting. And wonderful.
Yeah.
Woo!
It is.
All right. Hey guys, we're killing it over here. We're having a great time. We're gonna catch you guys back here in just a minute. You guys enjoy these jams and like and subscribe. Come on, let's get involved. Awesome show tonight. These turkey subs turned out incredible. What you guys think of this turkey sub, guys?
Oh, that's
Come on.
wonderful. Loved it.
Oh my God, it's such a good time. Guys, y'all need to get involved with some of those turkey subs. Guys, we're having a great time. Thank you so much to Derek Enter, by the way, with the merch company. We appreciate you so much, bud. Guys, that's it for our show. You guys enjoy. By the way, thanks. Another shout out to Z Grills. You guys hooked it up again tonight, guys. These turkeys tonight turned out incredible. So, and these turkeys turned out pretty good too. So anyway, until next time, guys, y'all get involved. Woo! Woo! Woo!
Okay.